Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how we can get a screenshot of the current page as base64 string. So there is a page object method that is get underscore screenshot as base64, which will do the task, and it returns a base64 string for a page object page screenshot. And then we are using a common library function save underscore base64 string to save base64 string as a file. So this is the method. Let's run the test nRoBo -key test method name. Here test started running, and browser instance created, and opening URL and getting the screenshot. Let's see here we can see this is the screenshot. Thank you.